Alright, this video is going to walk you through how to find the equation of a ball that's been kicked through the air that follows a parabolic path. What you need to know first about the problem is that when the ball starts and ends at the exact same height, then the vertex will always be found halfway between those points. So if I take 79 feet and cut it in half, I know my vertex dot will be right here at 39.5, comma 41. It also tells you in the word problem that it has a maximum height of 41. Then, if you know the vertex, we can start to figure out the equation. The first step would be to write down the equation based on the vertex. So if I know my vertex is at 39.5, comma 41, then my parentheses part of my parabola is going to be x minus, remember it's opposite in the parentheses, squared, and then plus 41. Leaving that a by itself. We're still trying to figure out what that is. If I know the a, I'm done. So that's the goal of this rest of this problem, or this video here, is to try to figure out what is that a value. So next, we need to take step 2 and substitute a point. Now, another point that it passes through besides the vertex would be 79, 0 or 0, 0. We can pick either one. Let's pick 0, 0, 0, 0 because that's a lot easier to work with. So 0, this 0 right here goes in for the y, and this 0 here goes in for the x. And then when I put those in the equation, I need to figure out the parenthesis part first. 0 minus 39.5 is negative 39.5 squared, or negative 39.5. And if I square that, then I need to try to go about solving it for a. And when I square that, I'll get 1,560.25 after squaring this negative 39.5. Then it says plus 41 equals 0. So if I cancel my 41 by subtracting it to both sides, then I'll have this brought over to this side and get negative 41 equals 1,560.25a. And then your last step will be to get the a by itself by dividing by whatever you got in here, in this case, this number here, to both sides. So if I take negative 41 divided by 1,560.25, then I get some decimal that runs off of my screen on my calculator. So if I can then convert that decimal into a fraction by pressing these buttons, math, enter, enter, you'll find them on your TI-84 calculator. That will then convert our decimal that runs off our screen into an exact fraction. That exact fraction then becomes a equals negative 164 over 6,241. And then from there, you can write the equation. You'll just take this answer and put it in the a spot that you didn't have before. So then the final answer will then be y equals negative 164 over 6,241, x minus 39.5 squared plus 41. That's it, and hopefully this video helps you getting your next equation for a parabola path by doing the equation first based on the vertex, then substitute a working point, and then solve for a as you go through that problem. Good luck, and hopefully this helps.